buat minuman, cek. Jadi ini aku baru yakin sama kakakku. Gelas kosong buat nanti minum dan air. Lalu pengaduk. Mari kita buat.
Today, I'll let you home one more time. I promise that today, I'll let you go. I can't you go home. I can't you go up in my arms. One more time, I promise you.
Aduh, ketek gue pas. Jangan parah.
Dadah.